Did you know that in the UK, over 1.5 million elderly individuals receive care, ensuring that their golden years are filled with comfort and dignity? You can be a part of that legacy. Welcome to the Health and Social Care Diploma, a course designed for those who aspire to be healthcare heroes. Over the course of this diploma, you'll explore a range of essential topics, from understanding the fundamentals of health and social care to diving deep into the intricacies of communication, rights, and responsibilities. You'll learn how to be a true caregiver and healthcare professional, promoting equality, diversity, and the rights of all individuals you serve. Learn how to manage finances effectively and streamline service delivery to make a lasting impact in the field of health and social care. Discover the vital art of safeguarding vulnerable individuals, ensuring their well-being in your capable hands. Join us, because in healthcare, every moment counts, and every life touched is a life changed.